Ready to ditch keyboard controls and level up your PC gaming with the comfort of your Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons? First, put your Joy-Cons into pairing mode by holding down the small sync button located on the top of each Joy-Con, in between the SL and senior buttons until the lights start flashing on your PC or laptop. Navigate to your Bluetooth settings, usually found in the system tray or settings menu. Click Add Bluetooth device or pair a new device. Your PC will begin scanning for nearby Bluetooth devices. You should see your Joy-Con appear on the list, labeled as Joy-Con L or Joy-Con R. Select the Joy-Con you want to pair and click Connect. You might need to repeat this process for each Joy-Con individually. Once connected, they may be recognized as generic controllers. Don't worry, most games will still detect them. Now, for broader compatibility and advanced features, you might need a driver or software like BetterJoy. This free tool can emulate Xbox 360 controller input, greatly improving game support. Simply download it from GitHub, install, and follow the on-screen instructions. With BetterJoy installed, your PC should recognize the Joy-Cons as Xbox controllers, ensuring compatibility with almost any PC game. And there you have it. Now you can enjoy playing your favorite games with the Joy-Cons. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tips.